Hello, my name is Rohil, and today I'm going to be explaining to you a little bit about the reasons and what causes stress and how yoga and breathwork can help us deal with stress. So, oftentimes, when we are overworked, when we have too many deadlines, when there's lot of things happening in life, and we are trying to do everything on a time limit, this causes a lot of stress in our system. And this stress is also how our body reacts to stress is by producing cortisol. So cortisol is also sometimes referred to as the stress hormone. And the body is producing this cortisol so that we can get more energy. So it's boosting the energy inside our body so that we can deal with this stress, so that we can cope with this stress. And the cortisol is mainly being released and produced by the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are located just above the kidney. They are attached to the kidney. So the adrenal glands are releasing cortisol, and it's sort of pushing our body into this flight or fight response, and so that there is more energy to deal with whatever it is we are going through and to accomplish that. But now the problem occurs when we are in this state continuously. So we are in this state all day, and then the next day, full day, and then the next day, and for many days together. This can lead to what is called chronic stress, and sometimes in physiology they also refer to it as chronic adrenal fatigue. So this is when we are experiencing burnout. So oftentimes we finish a deadline, we finish something, and we really feel so tired. Our body is completely drained. And what yoga and breathwork can help us with is to sort of avoid that burnout or that feeling of complete drain of our energy. And how it does this is yoga and breathwork actually affects our endocrine system. So there are, like I explained, cortisol, which is activating our body and producing energy in the body. And there are other hormones that are secreted to relax the body so that we come into a state of relaxation and we really help the body to recharge. So, for instance, you finish your day of work and you've been working like crazy all day with a lot of stress, and you come back home, and oftentimes people find it difficult to truly relax. Sometimes you just take the easier option, which is to distract yourself, to maybe watch TV or do something else. Again, you're bringing your attention away from that depleted state of energy that you are now experiencing. So you really need to be able to really relax to reinvigorate, to get your energy back. And yoga and breathwork helps us with that. Thank you for joining this video, and I hope to see you in a future videos.